right, puppies are mobile. This is Frankie and Hiccup's litter, and they're catching on to the whelping. We're going to be removing the whelping box here soon, and they're catching on to the litter pans. Very quickly, I've got some noise stimulation activities in there, and they're just rolled up newspaper. Anything, their ears are open, so anything to, where you going? Anything to just get them used to different noises. I've started playing the classical piano at night and during the day. And, oh, are you going to tell me what? Are you going to tell me what? Yes. And this is when it just gets a lot of work and a lot of fun. And those little tails go, go, go. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. And that's their sleeping area over there, and they've been faithfully sleeping in that and getting used to distinct areas, sleeping area, and then play and potty area. So as they grow, I'll decrease the size of the potty area and increase the size of the play area, and then that way they really understand potty area versus play area. They don't like going potty in their beds, and so they'll get used to that. They're doing really good. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. Hi. Hi. Yes. Yep. The pellets make a mess, but it's definitely better than other systems I've tried. So